Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the unresponsive remote button problem for Edifier R2000DB and potentially other Edifier models as well because they share the same remote. I've been using these speakers for just over 2 years and they are great. They sound amazing given their price. They look great as well, especially that piano black finish. It really differentiates this model from other speakers. Recently I started noticing the power button on the remote is not that responsive, probably because I turn the speakers on and off so many times. I believe a lot of people are doing that because these speakers don't have auto power off function. I know this is not low battery issue because if I want to switch to Bluetooth mode, I can press it and then it immediately switch to that Bluetooth mode, and then back to line 2, line 1, louder, right, mute. It's all good, just that button. I think it's just that the contact between the button and the board inside the remote is not that good anymore. So we're gonna try to open that remote and then clean it and see how it goes. Unfortunately, to open the remote, we cannot see any screws, but we can go from the bottom, pinch this part here, and then at the same time pushing out that battery holder, and done. So we're gonna leave it aside and look at this. We still don't have any good way to get it open, but when I look at this cover here, I think just one piece, right? So why not just use the screwdriver to crack it open just a little bit to see if we can do it or not, right? I believe they just use some kind of glue to connect this cover and the body of the remote together. So I just quickly stick to the service part, and then see, we can see is opening. That just gave me a lot of confidence that we can peel it off. Yep, it is sticky. So later we definitely can put it back easily without using anything else, I hope. Leave this cover on one side. Let's look at the board. Just by looking at it, we cannot notice anything, but when I was a little kid, I used to crack a lot of things open and then clean things up just to make the conductivity better. I'm not sure if you guys have played Nintendo cassette console before. I used to face a lot of problems like that. So basically I just need to use that alcohol swab and just to rub them a bit yeah, maybe just all of them, not limited to the problematic button, because they might become unresponsive at a certain point as well. So just to save your time, I'm wiping all the buttons. And then we can blow it a bit just to make it dry faster. Yep, I think they're looking good. Now just a matter of putting back the cover. Just like nothing ever happened. And then put back the battery. And now let's test it. Now I'm just slightly pressing the power button and then see how it goes. On. Off again. Yeah, it's so much better than before. I think these speakers is just like brand new again. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video or you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time.